Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to make an interactive electrical switch for your blender. And you can see now, this is a double switch. This is okay to do any interactions. You can manipulate the keyframe so that you can simulate anything that related to the on and off of the electrical switch. And start from now, I'm going to show you all this step by step how to set up this. Let's go. The first step, just press A to select everything and delete it. Then next, just add a cube. Go to the edit mode. Click here, select the surface. Move it down in this way. Alright. Then back to the object mode. Right click, set the origin to the center of the mass, and click here. Right click. You already set the origin to the center of the mass, then you have to clear all of the locations. Now get back to the center. Next we are going to just add the switch. This is just the base of the switch. Add another cube. Just press S in that way. Then click, make it smaller, move it up, scale it that way. Now it will be at the center. That means you should just give an angle in that way. Alright, make it lower. Just make it have some angle in that way. So now, next we are going to just fix it at here, or you can just make it double switch. It's okay. Shift D, then press Y. Now it will become double switch. Hold the shift and move it together. Alright, now these two, click the shift, hold the shift, click another one, then final one. Just press Ctrl P to just set the parent to the object. Now this will be switch 01, another one, switch 02. Now turn on the texture. You can just add some color to the switch. I may just want to add a very simple color that way. It can be blue, and another one, it can be red, it can be any color. Now, when you click this and just press S to just make it smaller, and then rotate it as 90°. You can just put it on the wall if you want, put it on the wall, or you can just remove any of the colors, just make it gray, it's okay. This one, just remove it, add once, make it gray. Here, make it gray. Alright, so this one's, when you create your 3D animations, you just need to manipulate in this way. Then everything will be fine. Switch up and switch down, or you can label it like on and off just by using the text. And and it will be fine. Alright, that's all for today about my tutorials on how to make an interactive electrical switch for your Blender 3D modeling and 3D animation software. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials and sharings, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all, so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials or sharings, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy. Happy 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing. See you.